Okay, hello everyone. Hello Kate. Today we're going to make shrimp in black bean sauce. This is not really a Filipino dish, it's more of a Chinese influence. It's a Chinese dish. I happen to know how to make it. It's because I'm part Chinese, my dad's Chinese, so we always ate meals with black bean sauce. So this is a very simple dish to make. If you're pressed for time, this is something that you could easily make. You just need your main star of the dish will be your shrimp, the black bean sauce, which is really easily available nowadays in any Asian market, or you could even go to a Sprouts or any health food store, not health food store, but a healthy market that's focused on international food. And these are really cheap. They're called salted black beans. They cost around $1 to $2. And our main ingredients will be the black beans and the shrimp. I have 2 pounds of shrimp here. This is a lot actually. Normally we just use 1 pound, but since I've defrosted 2 pounds, I'll use all of it. So I also have bell peppers. I have the yellow bell pepper and the red bell pepper, which I've cut into large cubes. Onion, which I've also sliced into cubes or large slices, and garlic, which I've sliced, or you could mince it as well. We'll be using some salt and pepper, some chili flakes to put some spice into it, a little bit of soy sauce, doesn't matter what kind of soy sauce. Now this is the Hawaiian soy sauce Aloha brand, but you could also use any Asian soy sauce. They're all the same to me at least. And we're going to use a little bit of the cornstarch, which will be used as a slurry. Okay, so let's get starting with the cooking of the shrimp in black bean sauce. But while I was talking, I've already heated up, so I'm heating up some water where I'm going to blanch the shrimp for around 2 minutes, just so it gets cooked easily when we stir fry it. Okay? I'm going to blanch the shrimp. This is 2 pounds of shrimp. I'm going to blanch it for 2 minutes. And the reason so I've blanched the shrimp for 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. We're just going to drain that one and set it aside, and we're going to prepare our stir fry. So you're going to heat your pan and put some oil. Oil is hot. We're going to put in our onions in high heat. Put in our garlic, our sliced garlic. And in high heat, we're just going to do a quick stir fry on it. Once we're going to put in our blanched shrimp. That's the 2 pounds of shrimp. Oh, it doesn't look a lot. Bell peppers, red bell pepper. This is yellow bell pepper. You can put green bell peppers as well. But since I don't have green bell pepper, I'm using the yellow bell pepper. So remember, it's still on high heat. You want your pan to be very hot. Put in a dash of salt, soy sauce I mean. Oops, there you go. That's a tablespoon. Some salt. Pepper. Dash of chili peppers. This is quick, that's why it's all going in simultaneously. Or I forgot to mention that it's nice to put, if you have some mirin, sweet cooking seasoning, add a dash of it. If not, Chinese. And now you could add in your salted black beans. I'm going to put, I like this one, so I'll put 3 teaspoons, so that's roughly a tablespoon. I'll put a little bit of the sauce. It's salty, so don't put a lot. And then just mix that around. Again, in high heat. I've also made a slurry of cornstarch slurry, not a lot. I used a half a teaspoon or a teaspoon of the cornstarch slurry. I'm going to mix it in here. This is just to put some thickness into the sauce that's going to be on the on this dish. So I'm cooking this until the shrimp is fully cooked. That's an extra 3 minutes or so, or 2 minutes. I decided to add in extra cornstarch slurry just so I'll get some kind of sauce with it because it's a little bit dry. So I'm also adding in some oyster sauce as an afterthought. I know that adding in some oyster sauce will add in more flavor. So I'm putting in around 2-3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and that will be it. Okay, and then we're ready to plate. So here we have it. I've covered the dish once I turned off the stove just to create some liquid in it, so it's not too dry. And I've also added a little bit of water and cornstarch slurry just to have a sauce. So here we have it. Some scallions, and will be our taste test. Okay. Okay, so here's our finished product, our finished dish. This is the shrimp with BlackBean sauce. We're going to do a quick taste test. I would recommend though the next time that I'm going to do this, I'm going to use a shrimp that's been shelled. But these are bigger shrimp, so it's easier to shell it. But if you tend to cook with more salt, or you tend to overpower it with soy sauce, having the shell protects your shrimp from being too salty. Oh, that's nice. This goes very well with rice. It's perfectly matched with rice, brown rice, white rice. Maybe if you like bread, you don't have rice, you could use a crusty bread. Just so you'll be able to, it complements each other. Let's taste the sauce. Salty, but not salty. It's sweet also because of the mirin that I've added in, and then the sweet peppers added in, that sweet touch into the sauce. So go ahead and hopefully you'll get to try this recipe. It's my version of the shrimp in BlackBean sauce. Quick and easy, took around less than 30 minutes to cook, around 20-30 minutes. So hopefully you try it, and it's going to be a dinner saver for you guys. And don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you cook this one of these days.